Hey guys, Aaron here with For the Love of Tech, bringing you the video on the final details of the giveaway. Tomorrow at 7 p.m., the live stream is starting. Usually give myself about 25 minutes, 30 minutes for technical difficulties. We're going to get started as the majority of people usually show up between 7 and 7:15. Please be there, be on time. If you're not on time, I won't know. I just want to make sure that you're there. So come and show up. Come and have fun with us. The live drawings are always a blast. You will have until 5 p.m. tomorrow, that's Eastern time because that's where I am, in order to make your final entries into the giveaway. After that, any entries that are done, which is typically comments on my videos, you got to watch the videos to find out what the clue is and what you need to comment. After that, they're not going to count. And I do have a way to tell. However, we've had a huge influx from Twitter activity, so thank you, Twitter. Thank you, followers. You guys are amazing. My Facebook reached over 2,000 followers. Twitter went over 1,000. My subscriptions are over 1,800, so this is getting huge, all within the first 60 days. All right, guys. This is the last time you're going to hear from me for 2017. For the love of tech, go in your drawers, go under your bed, find some old electronics you're no longer playing with and give them to someone else. Make someone else's day. That electronic that was once the highlight of your life, that's now last year's news, give it to somebody else that doesn't have it. Pay it forward. For the love of tech. Namaste. Have a happy new year. I literally cannot help myself. If you put in Roman numerals 644 into the comments, I will give you 5 more entries into the giveaway. All you have to do is put in Roman numerals 644! 5 more entries to the giveaway!